Welcome to Tactical Arbitrage. In this video, we'll walk you through the library search feature, step by step. Whether you're sourcing new releases or used books, library search is your go-to tool for discovering profitable opportunities in the world of book reselling. If your niche is selling books on Amazon, this feature is perfect for you. It combines both product search and reverse search functionalities, but exclusively for books. Within this drop-down menu, you'll find all the available options you can use with library search. Import bulk category list, import bulk product codes, quick search, quick keyword search, category, Scan Bestsellers. To make things easier to understand, let's divide these into two groups: product search functions and reverse search functions. Product search functions require a website category URL as the input for your scan. These include category and import bulk category list. To run a scan, start by selecting category. Then choose the website you want to scan, copy the category URL, and paste it into the designated field. Once that's done, you're ready to begin scanning. If you'd like to upload multiple categories at once, use import bulk category list. Here, you can upload a spreadsheet containing a list of category URLs you'd like to scan. To upload, click Upload New File, then choose File, and finally, click Upload. You can also download an example spreadsheet for reference. Once your file is successfully uploaded, you'll see its name appear in the Import Bulk category list text, and you're ready to start your scan. Now let's move on to reverse search functions, which allow you to input specific product identifiers. These include import bulk product codes, quick search, quick keyword search, and Scan Bestsellers. Let's start with quick search. This feature lets you enter a single or up to 100 ASINs, UPCs, or ISBNs into the input field. If you're adding multiple codes, simply separate each one with a comma and a space. Next, import bulk product codes works similarly, but instead of typing manually, you can upload a CSV, XLS, or XLSX file that contains your list of ASINs or ISBNs. To upload, click Upload New File, choose your file, and hit Upload. You can also download an example spreadsheet if needed. Once your file is uploaded, its name will appear below the Import Bulk Product Codes text, confirming that it's ready to be scanned. If you'd rather search by keyword or book title, select Quick Keyword Search. All you have to do is enter your keyword or title into the field, and you're ready to begin your scan. Finally, there's Scan Bestsellers, a great option if you want to focus on trending or high-demand titles. When you select Scan Bestsellers, you'll see 3 levels of categories. Level 1, main categories. Level 2, subcategories under your chosen Level 1. And Level 3, subcategories under Level 2. You can choose to start your scan from any level, Level 1, 2, or 3, depending on how specific you want your results to be. Before hitting the orange search button, you can also apply filters that manually or load your saved filters if you have any. Optionally, you can also name your search here. This makes it easier to find later on your View Library page. And that wraps up our walkthrough of the library search feature in Tactical Arbitrage. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to us at support@tacticalarbitrage.com.